Hello and welcome, dear students. I hope you are all doing good. As we all know that we are doing chapter population dynamics. So in this video, we are doing long answer type questions of chapter population dynamics. So here I have written answers for you. This is question number 5A, which is what reasons may be accounted for the uneven distribution of population on the surface of the earth. So answer is first point topography. Plains sport more population than hills and deserts. Number 2, climate. Population is less in harsh climate regions. Point number 3, soil. Fertile soil sports more population than infertile soil. And point number 4 is water. Population is more in those areas which have plenty of water resources. Next is question number 5B. Briefly explains sparsely populated areas with examples of different types of sparsely populated areas. So here is the answer. Sparsely populated area has less population. So examples are number 1, equatorial regions. The Amazon and the Zaire basin fall in this category. This region experiences high temperature and heavy rainfall. Number 2, polar region. Antarctica and tundra region fall in this category. These areas are extremely cold. Point number 3, desert region. All the deserts of the world fall in this category. These areas are extremely dry and have less vegetation. Next is question number 5C. What do you understand by the term population dynamics? So please write the answer from page number 17. The definition is already given there. Next is question number 5D. Discuss the impact of overpopulation on a country. Answer is number 1, depletion of resources. Number 2, it leads to overuse of resources like coal and petroleum. Number 3, rise in unemployment leading to poverty, unrest, and a higher crime rate. Number 4, poor health and sanitation conditions. And number 5, extinction of numerous plant and animal species. Question number 5E, differentiate between the following terms. First term is immigration and immigration. So answer is immigration, the movement of people out of a country, and immigration, the movement of people into a country. Second is birth rate and death rate. Birth rate, the number of live births per 1,000 persons per year, and death rate, the number of deaths per 1,000 persons per year. Next is difference number 3, overpopulation and underpopulation. Overpopulation, excessive population in a given geographical area where the number of people surpasses the available resources that are required to maintain a basic standard of living. Next term is underpopulation, the population of a geographical area is less in comparison to available resources, that is, the available resources are present in abundance and are not completely utilized. Question number 5F. What is a population pyramid? What does the shape of a population pyramid indicate? Population pyramid. The elements of age and sex are studied together in the form of a population pyramid. It is also known as age-sex pyramid. Next is shapes of population pyramid indicate rectangular population is growing at a slow rate. Triangular population is growing at a consistent rate. Question number 5G. What are the physical factors that affect the distribution of population? The answer of this question is same as answer number 5A. So please write the same you can mention there that the answer is same as 5A. No need to write this answer second time. Then last question. Question number 5H. What are the advantages and disadvantages of underpopulation? So first write advantages. Number 1, no shortage of natural resources. Number 2, low population level. Number 3, more job opportunities. Number 4, less poverty. Number 5, low crime rate. And number 6, water and electricity available for all. Then write disadvantages. First point, less number of workers, and second point, less number of taxpayers. Please write these answers neatly in your fair notebooks. Thank you so much.